The clock ticked past midnight, April 26, 1986. In the heart of Soviet Ukraine, the Chernobyl nuclear power plant hummed with the promise of atomic energy. Steam hissed, gauges glowed, and technicians worked diligently. A routine safety test was underway on reactor number 4. Unbeknownst to them, they stood on the precipice of unimaginable catastrophe. At 1:23 a.m., a power surge ripped through the reactor core. Safety systems, flawed and overridden, failed to contain the escalating chaos. In an instant, the unthinkable happened. A monstrous explosion tore the roof off the reactor building, spewing radioactive fire into the night sky. The world as these men and women knew it had changed forever. Deep within the reactor's core, a chain reaction had spun wildly out of control. The reactor, known as an RBMK-1000, was a design unique to the Soviet Union. It was powerful, but it had a fatal flaw, a design flaw that made it inherently unstable at low power levels. During the safety test, a combination of human error and this fatal design flaw aligned with terrifying precision. Control rods, meant to slow down the nuclear reaction, were withdrawn too quickly. The reactor, already unstable, surged in power. A sudden spike in steam pressure caused a catastrophic explosion. The explosion, equivalent to the detonation of multiple tons of TNT, ripped through the reactor core. It vaporized fuel rods, releasing a deadly cloud of radioactive isotopes into the atmosphere. This invisible enemy, carried by the wind, would have far-reaching consequences. In the immediate aftermath of the explosion, brave souls rushed towards the inferno. Firefighters, unaware of the invisible danger they faced, battled the blaze with heroic determination. These men and women, the first of many, would become known as the liquidators. Exposed to lethal doses of radiation, they worked tirelessly to contain the disaster. They extinguished fires, cleared debris, and entombed the shattered reactor in a concrete sarcophagus. Their bravery and sacrifice helped prevent an even greater catastrophe. Many of them, however, paid the ultimate price. Their selfless actions stand as a testament to human courage in the face of unimaginable adversity. The invisible threat of radiation spread silently on the wind. The nearby town of Pripyat, home to many of the Chernobyl workers and their families, was evacuated days after the disaster. They left their homes, unaware that they would never return. The Chernobyl disaster had a profound and lasting impact on the environment. The explosion released a massive amount of radioactive material into the atmosphere, contaminating vast areas of Ukraine, Belarus, and Russia. The long-term health effects of the disaster are still being studied today. Thousands of people have been diagnosed with thyroid cancer and other radiation-related illnesses. The disaster serves as a stark reminder of the devastating power of nuclear energy when it escapes our control.